Welcome to the SATELIS 75W dual head installation guide video. These are the hole drilling measurements and locations for the luminaire. These are the hole drilling measurements and locations for the battery pack, right below the luminaire. Next to these set of holes, drill an extra hand hole so that you can connect all the cables inside of the pole. This is the final layout of the hole drillings and measurements. These are the components we supply for the SATELIS 75W dual head installation. First, install the solar panels to component L using the screws from component kit A. Secure the screws in this order. Now install solar panel base component F using the screws from component kit B on the bullhorn. We do not supply the bullhorn accessory. Please contact a pole manufacturer to ensure the bullhorn fits the pole size. Next, install the solar panel on the base. Connect wire N with the extension cable before you put it on the bullhorn. The extension cable is not included with purchase. Please order separately. Feed the wires and extension cables through the base and bullhorn, then attach the solar panel to the base using screws from component kit B and D. The solar panels are adjustable. Please access panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Once you choose a desired angle, secure with screws from component kit D and then connect the solar panel cables to wire M. Install the luminaire. Align component H to the pole, then attach component I and secure with screws from component kit C. Feed the luminaire through component J and secure to component H. Make sure you can see all cables and wires through the extra handhole. Then secure component H and J. Lastly, install the battery packs. Align components G to the pole, then secure with screws from component kit C, and attach the batteries. Secure with screws from component kit E. Make sure to connect all the cables in this order. Keep the extra handhole covered so the cables are unharmed. The luminaire head is adjustable. Remove the screws on the light head to adjust the angle. Then tighten for desired angle. A friendly EPA installation tip. Please make sure one set of solar panels faces the east and the other set of solar panels faces the west to harvest more solar light. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at www.soltechlighting.com.